My name is Sridevi. I am studying in 5th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Subhrakshmi. I am studying in 5th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Parashya. I am studying in 5th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Mahendra. I am studying in 5th standard.
Good morning to all. My name is Vijay Kumar. I am studying in 5th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Sena. I am studying in 5th standard. Good morning to one and all. My name is Shaina. I am studying in 5th standard. Good morning to one and all. My name is Rajita. I am studying in 5th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Sinchana. I am studying in 5th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Sanjay. I am studying in 5th standard.
I am today telling you about fire. Take a one bowl and put some water. Take mastic and put in the water and take again mastic and try to on, but that is not, fire is not on. Take one more mastic and spread the Colgate paste and put it to water and take again try rub the Colgate paste and try to on that is on no fire. Then you paint the end of the with the Colgate paste is covering over with the
Water.
with the
Waterproof.
coating.
Stick them.
Stick them into a piece platform. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Vijayalakshmi. I am studying in 7th standard. We are doing. This is my group.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Sangeeta. I am studying in 7th standard. Good morning to one and all. My name is Priya. I am studying in 7th standard. Good morning to one and all. My name is Rohit. I am studying in 7th standard.
Today we are doing science experiment. Topic A, pressure. First I take a bottle. I have already made hole inside the bottle. Now insert the straw inside the bottle. And keep a glass beside the bottle. And fill the bottle with color water. Now take a balloon and blow it. And carefully place the end of the balloon on the mouth of the bottle. Now release the air in the balloon.
And ನೀರಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
Now release the air from the balloon. It creates pressure in the bottle, thus pushes water, making a water pump. Because the air inside the balloon is under higher pressure. Then you place the insulated balloon on the mouth of the bottle. The air pressure on the top of the bottle increases. This pushes down water on the bottle, which rises to the straw and comes out, making a wonderful water pump. Thank you.
studying in 6th standard. This is my group. Good morning to one and all. My name is Ranjan Gowda. I am studying in 6th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Shani Kumar. I am studying in 6th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Marita. I am studying in 6th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Jashwant. I am studying in 6th standard.
Today's topic is water plus ENO experiment. Water plus ENO experiment is a cool science project. During this science experiment, lemon reacts with ENO and gas is produced. Thank you. Good morning to another. My name is Kavita and Dhamishri. I am studying in 6th standard. Good morning to another. My name is Krishna and I am studying in 6th standard. Good morning to another. My name is Beereshwaranagar.
Good morning to another. My name is Bhumika. This is my group.
Good morning to another. My name is Kalvi. I am studying in 7th standard.
Good morning to another. My name is Sujana. I am studying in 7th standard.
Good morning to another. My name is Anish. I am studying in 7th standard.
Good morning to another. My name is Lori. My studying in 7th standard.
Today we are doing scientific skill. First we take one plate and keep the candle and pour the color water. And candle to light it. And take a glass bottle and cover it. Now observe clearly seeing color. Candle stopped burning and color water rising up. Color water rising up because they fire need oxygen. And again light the candle. And glass had to spray the perfume. This is called chemical energy, which is the energy of the electron bonds between the atoms of the candle's molecules turned into the molecules or different materials is called candles of the molecules between materials. As this happens, this heat or this chemical energy is evenly by the electromagnetic fields of these fields or disappear. Thank you. My name is Rupasri. Good morning to another. My name is Rupasri. I am studying in 8th standard. Topic is ENO density.
Good morning to another. My name is Dikshita. I am studying in 8th standard. Good morning to another. My name is Dilip. I am studying in 8th standard.
Good morning to another. My name is Anjali. I am studying in 8th standard.
Take 2 glasses and fill one glass with water and another one with water and ENO powder. Now put the biscuit in each glasses. Now take 2 glasses and now put the biscuit. The biscuit was floating in the ENO mixed water and do not in normal water. This ENO reacts with the water to make bubbles and carbon dioxide. The bubbles attach themselves to blocks the water. and bring the top of the water. As thanking you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Beereshwaranagar. I am studying in 7th standard. This is my group. Good morning to one and all. My name is Beereshwaranagar. I am studying in 7th standard.
Good morning to all. My name is Jeevan. I am studying in 7th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Sima. I am studying in 7th standard.
Good morning to all. My name is Nilesh. I am studying in 7th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Parmeshwari. I am studying in 7th standard. First step is put the water in the glass and add some honey and oil. The glass. The liquids do not mix but separate into the layer. The oil floated on the water. Honey sinks in the water. Sinks underneath the water. Each of the three liquids has different density, which is a way to describe substance. Based on they have a certain amount of space they take up the volume. Thank you.
My name is Amli. I am studying 9th standard. National Public English High School.
Good morning to all. My name is Vikas. I am studying in 9th standard, National Public English High School.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sashita. I am studying 9th standard, National Public English High School. This model is showing us how our lungs work. The balloon at the bottom works like your diaphragm, a strong muscle that expands and contracts to cause your lungs and get air inside and again empty out again. When you the movement of balloon matches your breathing. When you breathe in your lungs filled with the air just like the balloons inside the bottom.
That's because diaphragm expanded making for a room inside in lungs. When you breathe out, your diaphragm contact.
Pushing on.
My name is Krishna. I am studying in 8th standard, National Public English High School. Topic: react with water. My name is Susi. I am studying in 8th standard, National Public English High School.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Manisha. I am studying in 8th standard. Good morning to one and all. My name is Vikas. I am studying in 8th standard, National Public English High School.
Take two glasses and fill the glasses with water. Tons of candle. When we bring burning candle over glass, When we bring burning candle over glass, then candle do not turns off. Clear water do not produce carbon dioxide. When we bring burning candle over glass, then candle turns off. This happens because this glass produces carbon dioxide. As we mix water and that causes reaction and the produce carbon dioxide protect. Thank you.
My name is Kumar. I am studying in 8th standard. Topic fire burns in water. Good morning to one and all. My name is Sachin. I am studying in 8th standard.
Good morning to all. My name is Sandeep. I am studying in 8th standard.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Lakshmi. I am studying in 8th standard.
Take 1 cup. Fill some water and mix water with shampoo. Mix shampoo with water. Mix the water. one take lighter. Lighter in the shampoo water. 5 minutes. Now take lighter. Now take one lighter and release the gas in the shampoo water. Take one burning matchstick. 5 minutes. Now take one burning matchstick over the cup. Now you can see the result. Thank you.
National Public English High School.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Rashini. I am studying in 9th standard. National Public English High School.
Make a hole near the mouth of plastic bottle. Insert the bottles with a hole. Fix the bottle balloon flow. Fix the water flow. Fix tip of the with water and balloons.
Now we can see that when we place the inflated balloon to the bottle, the air is under a air pressure. The air rises through the water and commit by a straw. And make a small activity.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Shalini. I am studying in 9th standard from National Public English High School.
Good morning, Honorable. My name is Brenda. I am studying in 9th standard from National Public English High School.
Good morning to Honorable. My name is Mel. I am studying in 9th standard from National Public English High School.
A simple DC motor generator consists of the motor of a stator. The stator of the motor machine does not move on normally in the outer frame of the machine. In the inner part of the machine can move easy and normally of the machine.
Both of material usually move like fundamentally material and your material motor is diamagnetic determinical material move like another motor.
Thank you.